Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today I am interested in talking to you about a subject which has more to do with our material life than the spiritual one. Yes, it is another matter that it is indirectly connected to spiritualism also. Please don't judge anyone by his initial qualities where a person is not able to adjust to the norms of this society. There are many very intelligent, qualified, and skilled persons who become failures in many things that this society has laid down. It is another matter that even when these people fail, they know that they are failing and they cannot understand why they are failing. This does not judge their character. I'll give you one example. There was a friend of mine who was an excellent singer. He was a born singer. He had received several awards at a very young age. He was mostly a child prodigy. However, this boy's father was an engineer, and this man wanted the boy to become an engineer. Now, creativity, singing, etc. are right brain, whereas mathematics, engineering, etc. are left brain. This boy failed miserably in his studies, so much so that he failed repeatedly in school and college. That does not mean that this boy was a fool. No, he was not conducive, or the climate for this boy was not conducive for engineering studies. He was not cut out to become an engineer. He was a born singer. Ultimately, this boy went to Japan and sang in various concerts and won several accolades. Unfortunately, he fell ill and died at the age of 24. This shows that the social pressures and the peer pressure makes a person do things that he or she does not want to do. It is really harmful. In North India, in my days, in the olden days, it was quite possible that there were two siblings, one male and one female. The female was more talented and intelligent than the male boy, but the male son was a dumb, and father wanted this dumb to become an engineer or a doctor, whereas this girl, who was more intelligent and capable, was forced to settle down to household chores, and she got married to someone who was not attuned to her intelligence and who was not in her wavelength. This is a very unfortunate circumstance. Many a time, some very selfish and self-centered people decide that their incapability can be hidden if they can force their own offspring to carry out tasks or to achieve some goals which they themselves were not only incapable but also unable to achieve. For example, a father may, may be a useless engineer or a mechanic, but he will decide that his son will become an engineer. So he will torture, bully, and punish this child, which probably does not like to become an engineer but wants to become a doctor. In that case, what happens is this boy ultimately fails, and the father chooses to blame the son for his incapability. This has happened several times and it is still happening. When you bring up a child, you should let go that child and make that boy free to make his choices, and this applies even to girls. They should be set free to decide upon what they are good at. Parents are there only to guide and nurture the child, not to stunt its growth in the way that the child wants to grow. A musician may not necessarily become an engineer. A painter may not necessarily become a doctor. If the child, which is an engineer or a doctor or a lawyer, chooses to paint or to do singing or any other art, then that is an added qualification. The famous heart surgeon Albert Schweitzer was world famous for being a heart surgeon and also a cello player. Similarly, the tycoon Venu Gopal Dhoot is known as an accomplished flautist. There are cases where many tycoons or magnates or otherwise qualified people were very interested in something which was very different from their actual profession. There is a case where one Birla clan person is a bodybuilder and another is a musician. We should all remember this and we should act accordingly. Any effort to stunt the growth of a child is a sin. It is not a blunder, error, or mistake. It is actually a sin which God will seldom forgive. If we help our own children to grow in the chosen line that they want to grow in, then that is itself an achievement. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk on this subject. If you feel that what I am saying makes sense, then kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can inform you about my future or other videos. Please pardon me for any error, mistake, or blunder in my appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. Because when I am talking to you about some serious material or spiritual subjects, I tend to ignore these frivolous things. Till we meet in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.